I used to mow this grass when I was like a youngster. They're redoing the fence and stuff now. These dudes cut it and just about half-ass it. Check this out. It's the anniversary of a real bummer day of mine. Check out the date. So tomorrow would have been his birthday. And this is the day when all my books are gone. Anyway. So I've tried to make a video of this seatbelt thingy, and nothing worked out right. All the camera angles were off. When I was trying to get the stuff outside, blowing stuff up, some of my cameras overheated. They wouldn't focus. One of them ran out of memory. But I'm just gonna put it together anyway and see what you think. It's not really much to it. This is how close I live to the graveyard. Right across the street. Hey. Anyway. Yeah. I'll just throw this video together. It's not much to it. We'll see. Big fat fail if you ask me. I wonder where my frog is. Where you at? Nope. Nobody's home. So I took a seatbelt apart, and I got 3 tricks with this seatbelt. That's the spring that sucks your seatbelt back up, and it's all wound up tight. That's going to be the first trick here in a second. I got this little doohickey that shoots ball bearings up in here that makes the seatbelt stop going all together. And I got this part which when it how do I word this? When it goes off, it takes this piece and sucks it up in here real hard. It blasts something down this way and sucks the seatbelt up real tight. Anyway, I'm fixing to probably scare my coworker here in a minute. I'm gonna set up some cameras and drop this beside him, and it's gonna go everywhere. When I get home, I'll set this off. There's the bearings and stuff. And this, of course, yeah, I'm gonna try to launch something with it. Yay! Let's see what happens. Come on. Ooh. Not quite as spectacular because it was too far away, but it sprung up pretty good. Anyway, time for round 2 and 3, I guess, when I get home. Oops. Alrighty, I'm debating. That's a seatbelt thing that shoots the ball bearings out into the mechanism. I'm debating just letting it whack my shed or put a water bottle in front of it. I'm not sure what the force is going to be. I'll just stick a water bottle in front of it and see what happens, I guess. The rest of them are going to pelt my shed here. Whew, and then I got the seatbelt to go. All right, don't try this at home, because this is for professionals only. I need to try to find a professional. All right, I just zip tied it to one of Dr. Pell's milk crates here. I'll stick a water bottle in front of it. Yeah, okay. So I got this old busted up chair here. I'm just gonna zip tie this sucker onto one arm and tie this on the other. Maybe put the pig in the middle and see how high I can make that pig fly. Yeah, keep it simple, stupid. Maybe some water bottles and shit. Yeah, okay. Here we go. Oh yeah, this is a explosive shit in here, and it's gonna yoink this down real tight. Probably knock the chair over. Let's find out.